As stated earlier, you don't need to have a mobile device to use the Strava program and to log your activities. So if you don't have a device, or if by some chance you did an activity that you couldn't have your device with you, you can manually upload. And the way you do that is you log on to Strava and you get to your homepage, your dashboard, and you go over to the right of your profile pic and there's an add button. And if you just hover over that add button, and you can add a manual entry, and that brings you to this screen. At this screen, fill in any information that's necessary. Let's say you took your dog for a 30-minute walk. So you could put in here a 30-minute walk. You could choose the activity, which in this case would be a walk, the date and time that it happened. You could title it Dog Walk. All right, and if you go down to Create and choose Create, it'll go ahead and it'll log that into your account, and then you'll get posted to the club automatically. All right, if you have any questions, as always, please feel free to contact me. Otherwise, I hope you're all healthy and happy.